Concert featuring baby Isaiah and baby Rain with their Lola and their Papa. Wow.
Can you get my glasses over there on the counter, please?
Family concert. Yay.
Oh, talagang she is even going like that.
He's doing it.
What you doing, Lauren?
There you go.
Hi, baby. Are you having fun? Oh, no more. Are done?
You're tired?
I don't know. They're having a concert. Yes.
Okay, yeah.